Hey guys, it's the Dino family, Dino mom here. I'm here in the car, well, not alone, with Dino grandma, Dino baby brother, and Dino dad. We're on our way to the beach. And Dino boy is in the other car with my sister, my niece, and my nephew, and my brother-in-law. So we're just going to the beach for today. But before we get started, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell button to get the notification. I'll see you guys at the beach. See you guys. Dino baby brother, grandma, and Dino brother. Dile hola. 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 This one's falling asleep. And they're in that car. So guys, we're at the beach now. There they are. En el bulto, te lo busco ahora. Yeah, that's fine. Colo, ven, papi, ven. I know. Hi. Loving it over here. Watch the waves, guys. It's crazy. Right now they're not that bad, but when we got here, oh my god. There they are. She went on already like 3 times. Alright guys. Oh, hold on. Ah! No, Janda, baby, come over here. Look at that, look at that. You're too little, my love. You could drown. You don't know how to swim. Stay right here, okay? No. You see that? You can't, baby. I don't... he is going back home. So, so yeah, I'll see you guys in a bit. So guys, we're eating Applebee's to end our day. Some hamburger, ribs, pizza with fries. So, I hope you guys enjoy this video. And make sure you... Bye guys! Bye! Bye!